On. 50% half throttle. 50% half throttle. Throttle cut.
Taking off.
50% half throttle. Gear up. Flaps up.
Just do right hand circuit, yeah?
3 minutes.
Coming in low pass. She's bouncing around a bit now in the wind, you can tell. I might have to drop the gains down a bit because it didn't do it before. Maybe it's just too big gusty now. Yeah, it wasn't doing it before.
2 minutes.
Yeah, it's way too gusty, that's why. You can see it jumping around. The gyro's trying to correct it.
RF signal low. 1 minute. Gear down.
Gear pass. Coming around for landing.
Flaps 1. Flaps 2. 50% half throttle. RF signal low. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. Throttle cut. 25, 24, 23. Throttle cut. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Throttle cut. 15, 14, 13,
Beautiful.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Throttle cut. 7, 6, 5. 50% half throttle. 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed. Throttle cut.